Welcome to AllFreePik tutorials.
Today, I am going to show you how to create cutting text effect design in Adobe Illustrator. Make text to all caps. Use any bold font. Select text and right click and click Create Outline Shift Ctrl O. Draw line over the text to cut. Select line and go to Object menu and Path and divide objects below. Ungroup Shift Ctrl G. Fill color white. Select objects and move to little bit right. Gradient panel, Ctrl F9. Right side gradient shader color, black, R0, G0, B0. Left side gradient shader color, R170, G47, B0. Type linear. Angle 90 degree. Select shape and go to object menu and arrange and bring to front. Shift Ctrl, close square bracket. Select object and move little bit down. Finally, your cutting text effect is now ready. Please follow steps and it's easy way to create modern cutting text effect in Adobe Illustrator.
Thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe for new tutorials.